G'day, my name's Barry, you're watching Dirt Dingo. We're here at Uncle Ben's paddock and we're going to do a bike check for you. So look what we got here. We've got a bicycle frame from the tip. We've got a pace. Is that the brand? Pace. Anyway, so what we did, we just put a 80cc motor on it. 80cc, the pure strength, mate. Right.
How many strokes does that one go?
Oh, 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got our custom forks here because my cousin was going down the hill, right? Went through a patch of grass, hit a stump, bent him backwards all the way, mate. And then so we just took them around and went home, mate. Good to go. Yeah, so we got our accelerator here. It's a bit wobbly, but you know, man and machine, you know, you feel the machine. Got our clutch here, very manoeuvrable. It's got manoeuvrability, right? We got our speedo, which shows 79.7 on that bad boy. Yeah, so that's done for the front. Then we go down to here, my trustworthy electrical system here, holding all the cords. Lost the kill switch because when me and my cousin went down the hill, must have pulled them all out. Couldn't find where to put them, so I don't know where to put them. Got me dinged up fuel tank here, but mate, she still holds 2 litres, mate. Got me bloody custom exhaust pipe because you know I took it off to go fast, but then Uncle Benny said nah, it's too loud, so I'll put that on today. She goes good now. Got my clutch cover here. Lost 2 of the screws, so I put that bad boy in there and just wired her up real safe, you know, like that's not going to break ever. Got my manoeuvrable clutch lever. Got my brakes back here. I started taking them off, but you know, lost the Allen key as I do, so I stopped. Got my chain. Oh, she's beautiful, look at that. Good, eh? Got rid of my pedals because of weight reductions and goes fast, and therefore I took off the chain because you can't pedal anyway. So you know, you get rid of it. Lost my hacksaw blade, so I can't get rid of it fully though. Yeah, got my electric here again. Got that. I don't know really where that goes, but I like it because it's just a big surface, you know. Got my oil. All my mates tell me to clean it up, but I'm like, nah. You think about this, mate. You got a fire, you throw oil on it. What happens to the fire? What would happen to the fire, mate?
Ignites.
No, it puts it out, mate. Puts it out. And you got a oil surface and fire goes onto it. What happens, mate?
Puts it out?
Yeah, puts it out. Get that up, yeah. Right, yeah, so we got a bigger fuel lead because the other one we had was real small and punsy. So I got rid of it. Got a fatter one, more fuel, more spark, all this, and it goes faster. Got rid of the filter in there because air goes straight in instead of struggling to go through the filter, mate. Yeah. Got me custom spark cover there. It's pretty good. Yeah, we'll go back to this wheel. Look at that. Look at them bearings. Ugh. Now, I'll leave them like that because when you're going and sliding around, it just feels so thick, eh? Yeah, it's pretty wobbly, but you know.
So, what pressures do you run on your tyres?
Oh, well, you know, depending on the season and the rain, I like to keep my back on at least 15 psi. Just, you know, because you got no shocks on this bad boy. Just really keeps you in connection with the road, you know. And my front one, yeah, at least 20 psi, maybe a bit more, depending, you know.
That one doesn't leak, eh?
Nah, yeah, the back one leaks. I have to fill it up every 10 weeks or so. Yeah. So yeah, mate, we got this bit here, and now I like to keep this one nice and firm because you just get that connection between the road, machine, you, the wheel, the engine, the other wheel. Stay there, mate. The other wheel, seat, the clutch, the chain. I think that's about it, eh?
You gonna start her up for us?
Oh yeah, we can see what I can do, eh? We'll have a look around. See how she goes. Second. In a minute. Nah, stop rolling. I can't get it going. She always starts first time, you know. Got a little surprise for you. You thought this video was finished, but no. Bazza's got a personal story for you. So get this right. Going down the main street, right? Hooning, absolutely hooning. Double the speed limit. Cow flies out. Boom. Fly off my handlebars. Got that bad boy there. And I can't move any of these fingers except for these two. So now, I just have to use my clutch with my thumb. But you know, it's pretty alright. Life is still good. It's the price you pay to have a connection with the machine like this, right? Anyway, see you in the next video. If you like, subscribe. I'm going to put more videos of Bazza's stories. See you next time.